Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Cat Care Tips and Tricks. Got a furry friend who always looks like they've just rolled out of bed? Don't worry, we've all been there. Cats can be quite the little mess makers, but with a bit of effort you can turn that bed head into a sleek, shiny coat. Well, today I've got some pawsome grooming hacks that'll keep your kitty looking fabulous. First up, the brush. Regular brushing is key. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about health and happiness too. Not only does it remove loose fur, but it also helps with bonding. Brushing your cat can be a wonderful way to spend quality time together, strengthening your bond and making your cat feel loved and cared for. Use a slicker brush for long-haired cats and a rubber brush for short-haired ones. Each type of brush is designed to handle different fur textures and lengths, ensuring that your grooming session is effective and comfortable for your cat. And remember, always be gentle. Cats have sensitive skin, and rough brushing can cause discomfort or even injury. You wouldn't want someone yanking on your hair, right? So take it slow and easy, and your cat will appreciate the care you're giving them. Next, let's talk about those claws. Cats use their claws for a variety of activities, from climbing to defending themselves, so keeping them in good shape is crucial. Trimming your cat's nails can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can make nail trimming a stress-free experience for both you and your cat. Get a pair of cat nail clippers and trim just the sharp tips. This will help prevent your cat from scratching furniture or people, and it will also keep their claws from becoming overgrown and painful. Don't go too deep, or you might hit the quick, which can be painful for your cat. The quick is the sensitive part of the nail that contains blood vessels and nerves, so be sure to trim carefully. Tip: do it when they're relaxed or sleepy. A calm cat is much easier to handle, and they're less likely to squirm or resist. A snoozing kitty is a cooperative kitty. Take advantage of those nap times to get some grooming done. Ever seen your cat's ears and wondered, what's in there? Cat's ears can be a mystery, but they need regular cleaning to stay healthy. Cat's ears can get dirty too. Wax and debris can build up, leading to discomfort or even infections if not cleaned regularly. Use a damp cotton ball to gently clean the outer part of the ear. This will help remove any dirt or wax without causing irritation. Never stick anything into the ear canal. This can cause serious damage and should be avoided at all costs. Your cat will thank you with extra purrs. Now, let's tackle those pearly whites. Dental care is often overlooked in cats, but it's just as important as it is for humans. Yes, cats need dental care too. Plaque and tartar can build up on their teeth, leading to gum disease and other health issues. Use a cat-specific toothbrush and toothpaste. Human toothpaste can be harmful to cats, so make sure you're using products designed for feline use. Start slow, let your cat get used to the taste and feel. It might take some time, but with patience your cat will eventually tolerate or even enjoy having their teeth brushed. Before you know it, they'll have a smile to rival any Hollywood star. Regular brushing will keep their teeth clean and their breath fresh. Next, bathing your cat. This is probably the most dreaded part of cat grooming, but it's sometimes necessary. I know, it sounds like a nightmare. Cats can get into all sorts of messes, and a bath might be the only way to get them clean. Use a cat-friendly shampoo and lukewarm water. Be quick but thorough. Make sure to rinse all the shampoo out to avoid any skin irritation, and have a towel ready for the inevitable escape attempt. Cats are notorious for trying to bolt during bath time, so be prepared. Remember, cats are fast, but you're faster. Keep a firm but gentle grip on your cat to prevent any sudden escapes. Lastly, let's talk about diet. What your cat eats has a huge impact on their overall health and appearance. A healthy diet leads to a healthy coat. Make sure your cat is eating high-quality food that meets all their nutritional needs. Look for foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals to support their health. High-quality cat food with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids will keep their fur shiny and smooth. These essential fatty acids are great for skin and coat health. Plus, they'll feel like $1,000,000. A well-fed cat is a happy cat, and a happy cat is a joy to be around. So there you have it. With these simple grooming hacks, your cat will be the most dapper feline on the block. Regular grooming not only keeps your cat looking great, but also helps you catch any potential health issues early. And a happy cat means a happy you. When your cat feels good, you feel good too. It's a win-win situation. Share your grooming tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cat-tastic tips. See you next time. Keep those tails up and those purrs coming.